Hi, this is Maria with the Customer Factor, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how to make sure you never get your Gmail address or workspace email address blocked by Google. This video only applies to you if you set up your Gmail address or workspace email address as a custom email here. So if you don't have a Gmail address or Google Workspace email address and it's not set up as a custom email, then this video won't apply to you. Also, this video is only about when sending mass email. It doesn't apply when sending just regular individual emails like customer invoices, estimates, etc. So let's go ahead and send a mass email to all customers. In this account, we have 36 customers. I'm just going to click on the 36 customers here. And then click on Check All. And then click on the Send Emails button. I'll go ahead and click Skip to bypass this little window. Please note the two choices here. Send email through the Customer Factor and send email through Gmail. You never want to send mass email using the send email through Gmail choice. In this case, with only 36 customers, it's no big deal. But when you have a few hundred customers and you email those few hundred customers, then Google can ban your account for 24 hours. They have limits on how much email can be sent within a 24-hour period. So if you have 800 customers, for example, and your limit is no more than 500 emails per day, then 300 emails will bounce and your account will get shut down for 24 hours. So it's best to always select send email through the Customer Factor. Once you select this choice the first time, then it'll remain on that choice the next time you send a mass email and the next time again. As a reminder, these two choices have nothing to do with when you send individual emails like invoices, estimates, big proposals, or just regular one-off emails. So as mentioned earlier, you'll see only these two choices when attempting to send a mass email. And that's it for another video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.